Morning traders, and this is your Dax day trade setup for today. We're starting off on the weekly, and if you look at this bar, we have a range bar, total confusion through the week. I think the critical aspect here is this level. Now, what we're looking for is really a weekly close below here to validate this double top, and that is 11,618. If we move across to the daily, you'll see the indecision here. So you can see all the buyers and sellers coming in, all these tails, no real clear direction. And you can see on the daily, we haven't really got a close or a decent close below that. You could argue that this day was a close just below it, but I think to me that is a close on it because we'd want to break below those three tails there for this to validate. I think right now this is looking like a very big range. Okay, so I'm more than likely staying out of this market as well because there is no real. Okay, that level has been tagged. That would be the next pullback level there. And we have a 200 EMA here. So 11,961 is a half decent area, but this has been a strong move down, and this is looking like a bit of consolidation, even though it is a range at the moment. Okay, if we move across to the lower time frames, let's see if there's something we can see there. So at this stage, you can see we have a potential triple bottom here, and I'm going to use, there's the top of the triple bottom. We broke through, we've come back to test. Just delete that one and delete that one. Okay, so that's pretty much the scenario we have at the moment. We've got a crossover of the moving averages on the 3 hour, and we have prices crossed back below them, and we're now hovering here. Now, to me, there's no clear direction just yet, and I think it's going to be a typical Monday. In other words, fairly flat, unless there's some news that comes out somewhere along the line. But looking at the hour, you can see we've rallied, we've come back, we've tested the break of the moving averages. So I would expect another move to the downside. We come and pick up one of these levels. Now, the levels are going to be all these inside fractal levels. So there's one, all the bottom of the range. Okay, so right now, I think this confusion of the last couple of days is going to continue. So the volatility is going to continue as it is. This could also be a breakout, a retest, consolidate for another move to the upside. But looking at this pin bar here, and I'll wait for Europe open to see what happens. But probably just going to hold steady and just wait for something to happen that's going to show me the direction. Because at this moment, I suspect this range or sideways motion is going to continue. Okay. The true levels that we need to watch are the highs of the week and the lows of the week. Those are the two levels we need to watch. Okay, if we can get a break above the high of the week, then you can expect more upside. If you get a break below the low of the week, you can expect more downside. But for now, fairly difficult to call. Even if we go down to a lower time frame, you can see the half hour, we've got lots of indecision here, a rally and then a sell-off. And look at the moving averages, the oscillator, here. I suspect we have another move to the downside, but what it's going to pick up is another question. I would be very cautious of looking for the inside tails. Okay, so I think for me, probably going to stay out of this market as well today, unless there's some news that comes through that's going to help drive it in a direction. But for now, I suspect typical Monday, and we're pretty much going to go sideways. Okay, so yeah, I think I'll pick it up again on Tuesday. But for now, I think I'll stay well away from this at the moment. Okay, here we go, guys. Not sure it helps, but that's my view today. Hope it helps somebody at least. And I'll catch you later. Cheers for now.